What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Ckb Nervos network, which has pumped up over 34% in the last 24 hours and is currently valued at this value here, 0.004 cents. So we're going to be looking at what has caused the pump, the sudden pump in fact earlier this morning, where it pumped up from 0.003 cents nearly hitting 0.0045 cents. So we're going to be going through why has it pumped up, is now the time to buy it, is it too late, is it overvalued, or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit, or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, potentially hitting the 1 cent target over the coming months. So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, how high or how low can this crypto go. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got we do have the Fibonacci scale here on the screen, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. So for now I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So as you guys can see, we do have the purple line running across the chart here at the top, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Nervos network, which is here in purple, and the actual value of the crypto is here in green. So there is quite of a huge gap between the average value and the actual value, meaning it is potentially overvalued right now and is due for a little bit of a step back, but we'll get into that later on in the video. So for now, let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, it is looking quite steep, meaning it's not realistic. The reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place earlier this morning. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace. However, that is not the case, and we've got the blue line here looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning a minimal drop in value is what is expected from Nervos network over the next 12 to 14 hours, which I do agree with. So by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting the crypto to have dropped back down to around 0.0037 cents. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. Reason for that is, as I've already mentioned, it is currently overvalued. It's pumped up quite a lot in a space of about 2 to 3 hours, meaning it's overvalued and it's due for a little bit of a step back. More red candles are expected over the coming hours. Again, don't expect it to suddenly start crashing back down in value. It is going to be a slow process, and it is likely to hit more green candles as well, potentially pumping over 0.0045 cents over the next few hours before it slowly starts to drop back down later on this afternoon, evening time, down to around 0.0037 cents. Moving out to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue and the orange line looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. But once again, the way it's looking so steep guys, means it's not realistic. Exact same reason as the previous chart. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Nervos network to be trading around 0.0032 to 0.0034 cents, somewhere around this price range here is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. Reason for that is the same, overvalued, and it is likely to hit more red days over the coming days, meaning the crypto is likely to drop down further in value over the next 7 to 8 days. Don't get me wrong, it is likely to hit the odd green day in between where it's likely to take a little bit of a pump, but unfortunately the overall outcome seems to once again be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect more red candles from Nervos network over the coming days. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, we still have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, guys. So at this point, it is not realistic once again. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late March 2024, I'm expecting Nervos Network to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment after it goes for a price correction. So as I mentioned earlier on, I am expecting it to drop down in value over the coming week or two, and then potentially slowly start to gain value over the coming weeks, trading around 0.005 cents in value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at over the next 2 to 3 months approximately. However, if there are any major changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting a crash or a pump or a bull run, anything that can have a potential impact on the value of Nervos Network or the crypto market in general in a positive or negative direction, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and for us to hit the green zone, we need to hit about 0.0055 cents in value, which I'm expecting it to head to by mid-year. The crypto should be hovering around the resistance target here, and in the second half of the year, yes guys, I'm expecting it to potentially break out into the green zone, heading over to 0.007 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. But again, if you guys want regular updates on CKB, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And as mentioned in the thumbnail, can this crypto hit the 1 cent target? Yes, it can, but we're going to have to give it enough time. Potentially towards the very end of this year or early next year is when I'm expecting it to head around that price range. However, as you guys know, the crypto market is very volatile, so anything can have a major impact on, when it hits that target. It could be way earlier or way after, but I will make sure to keep you guys updated. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 3,400% in the last 24 hours, making it $46 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason for that is it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance. So of course it is getting a lot of attention right now, a lot of hype around it, meaning there are a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view, meaning there's a lot more traders, and in return it is also helping the value of CKB pump up higher as well. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on CKB, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.